In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off the pinch to zoom feature on a touchpad for Windows 11. Whether you're adjusting your settings for personal preference or troubleshooting an issue, these simple steps will help you manage your touchpad settings effectively. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to open the settings on your Windows 11 device. The quickest way to do this is by pressing the Windows key along with the letter I on your keyboard. This handy shortcut will take you directly to the settings menu, saving you some time. Once the settings window is open, your next destination is the Bluetooth and Devices section. On the left-hand side of the settings window, you'll see a list of various system options. Locate Bluetooth and Devices and click on it. This is where you can manage all connected devices and specific settings related to them, including your touchpad. Now that you're in the Bluetooth and Devices section, look for the Touchpad option. Clicking Touchpad will take you to a new page filled with different touchpad settings that you can customize according to your needs. On this new page, you'll find various options that control how your touchpad responds to gestures and interactions. Navigate to the section labeled Gestures and Interaction. Here, you will see a category named Scroll and Zoom. It's important to expand this section, as it includes several settings for your touchpad. Within the Scroll and Zoom settings, you'll encounter the Pinch to Zoom option. This feature allows you to zoom in and out on your screen by pinching two fingers together on your touchpad, much like how you would zoom on a smartphone. If this is a feature you enjoy using, you'll want to ensure it's enabled. If not, you can easily turn it off. To toggle the Pinch to Zoom feature on or off, simply look for the switch or checkbox next to it. If you want to enable the feature, make sure the switch is in the on position. Conversely, if you prefer to disable it, set the switch to the off position. And there you have it. That's how you adjust the pinch to zoom feature on your Windows 11 touchpad. Changing this setting might seem like a small tweak, but it can greatly enhance your everyday interaction with your device. Remember, these adjustments are all about making your computing experience as comfortable and efficient as possible. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tips on optimizing your tech setup.